Today I'm right here with my Tesla Model 3 from 2019 and I want to show you how you can calibrate the windows, all the windows. Like in the past 2 months or something like that, I had a problem with my window in the front right here in this area. When I go on the highway at high speed and I try to close the window, I still hear a little bit of strange noise from around here, and then when I open it and close it again, it will close a little bit better and I don't hear it anymore. And now today, because this calibration fixed my problem, I want to show you, because maybe some of you have this problem and maybe this video will be super helpful. So let's go inside the car right now. Also, what I recommend you, and I do that in the summer, on those rubbers, I really recommend you to buy some kind of oil or rubber special thing that you can get and also put it on this kind of rubber around the edges of the car, or wherever the car have those rubbers. So let me go inside the car. Let me go right here inside the car. First of all, it's very simple. What you should do, let me put the seat a little bit backward, just like that. And then guys, let me show you. First of all, what you should do, you should go here to the menu, and then you go to the software, and then you go on Model 3. And if you hold Model 3 for a few seconds and then you release it, you will have this image, this window here appear, and then you write service. You write the service there, and then right now enable, we are in service mode, and from service mode you can actually calibrate the windows. All you have to do, just go here, down here. I have a separate video on how to access this service mode from Tesla. If you want to see it, check it out, it's already on the channel. Now you go to Windows. Once you are in Windows, you can see here all kind of information about left front windows, calibrate, window state, close, and stuff like that everywhere. And then rear defrost available, and then we have here on the left side calibrate windows. Once you press this, the car will ask you to hold the right turn signals in the active position, plus press the brake for 8 seconds. So you have to press the brake and in the same time go right, and then for 8 seconds you hold it like that. You can see in the background there, here you should put the pin, but in the background it will show you an image. Let me close this, and then you have like 90 minutes to calibrate the windows, and then it will actually close this window. So what you should do right now, and then you just calibrate windows, and then it says windows will roll up and down to calibrate. Pinch detection is disabled during the calibration. Okay, and then just run, and you wait and progress. And you can see right now the windows are go up and down in order to calibrate. They will go all the way down, and then they will go again all the way up, and then Windows calibration passed. And you can see right here test and kind of the results, and then rerun. If you're not happy with the result and you see that the windows are still open, you just rerun the test. Or just close. And right now they are calibrated, and you can see my window right now open and close. It closed actually good. Then you have another way to do that I will show you right now. Let me turn this like this. You have another way to do it. If that doesn't help you too much, it doesn't matter if you are in a service mode or not. Let me go out. Right now we are out of service mode. You just have to go to the window that has the problem, and then you press all the way down, and then when it goes down you just press it for 15 seconds. You still hold it down for 15 seconds. Yes, great. And then go up, the same story, 15 seconds. And right now hold it up, hold it, so the car can actually calibrate it. Okay, so it's like 15 seconds, and then you can do it one more time. You go all the way down, like hold it more than 15 seconds, and then again up around 15 seconds. So mine it's working quite fine, but try to do that. If this will not fix your problem, you will probably have to go to Tesla service center and make an appointment for the service. And then what they will do, they will actually open this cover here, and they will actually arrange a little bit the window. They will array it from the interior there. So that was the video. I hope was useful, guys. Write me in the comment if you have problem, or if that problem fix your problem. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.